This is the operations floor at TNW News. We are currently tracking Hurricane Ida on the iPad. Hurricane Ida is currently a Cat 4 hurricane. That means at landfall, it could be dangerous. It will be dangerous to anyone without shelter. And speaking of shelter, you should be in a sturdy building right now and not doing outside preparations. Your preparation time has run out on prepping for Hurricane Ida. Hurricane Ida is extremely dangerous hurricane. Stay tuned for updates on Hurricane Ida as it is expected to make landfall soon.